Hi, we're back for the fourth and final episode of My Model Railroad 1993, a restoration. Since the last episode, we have finished up the roads, the sidewalks, and we put in all the center lines. And I have finished repairing all the buildings, or making new buildings for ones to replace ones that couldn't be repaired. And we've got the trolley line and the railroad line working pretty good, I think. So let's take a little tour of the town. This was made from remnants. It's a garage. I'll show you the front of that. Used to be a gas station, now it's a repair shop. And we had to replace some walls in the top with cardboard. A row of little houses here, all made from cardboard except for the top of this. If you can show the front of this here. Here we have a little used bookstore called Titanic Books. And from what I've seen from used bookstores all over the country, they might have a motto, always in danger of going under. We've got this building I showed you in the first episode. It's just a plastic case. That's made from a box. That was a kit. A lot of these I don't know if they were on the original setup in 1993 because, strangely, we never took a picture or a video of it. So I was just guessing what was on there originally. I'm not sure if the police station and the fire station were on originally. I may have picked them up at a thrift store somewhere along the line. And I know the motel was. And we've got the railroad station. Actually, I think it's some kind of a Fisher Price thing. It fits right in, though. And those houses over there they come from, I think, a cutout book where you cut out the houses and put them together. Dover Publications, I don't know if they're still around. They used to make a lot of books where you could cut out houses or buildings, and they were HO scale. And let's see what else we've got here to show. Okay, we've got the Shamrock Pub, which I just recently made to replace a building which couldn't be repaired. And over here I've got, this is a firehouse that I got at a thrift store, and I've made that into the old Firehouse Pub. You're probably thinking, what kind of a town is this? It hasn't got a church, but it's got two pubs. Well, it's a good start for a pub crawl. Two pubs only about 50 or 100 yards apart. Let's run the trains here, and we'll show some street level views. Now, in the spirit of 1950s horror giant monster movies, here's Harry the Cat. Where's the army when you need them? That was who always rescued the day in a 1950s horror movie. Wait a minute. The army has arrived. Here comes the tank to get you, Harry. Well, you're being exciting. You're not much of a scary giant cat. Harry. Attack of the giant cat. You can have fun with that, baby. And here is the attack of the giant cat.
Goddamn engine derailed.
Look at that train. Slow it down a little bit, maybe. In 1950s horror movies, it was always the army who came to the rescue. So, watch out, watch out, watch out, Pudge. Here comes the tank to get you. Get that train. Usually, it's the giant monster that scares the town, not the other way around. Well, that's it for the restoration of the 1993 HO model railroad setup. We have plans for future episodes of the My Railroad series, My Model Railroad series. We plan on making a real small T-gauge, I think it is. The engines are smaller than a Hot Wheels car like that. And we also have plans to maybe do a G-gauge backyard railroad if we want to put a mortgage on the house to afford it. Those are expensive. If you liked this video of the restoration, click on the subscribe button and you'll receive notifications of future episodes in the My Model Railroad series. Thank you for watching.